Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now, I don't think there is a SD card tray in here, so we'll see that in a second. But anyway, to pop out the tray, you'll need a SIM eject tool, which, as you can see, I have one right here. It comes provided with the device, so you can just get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. As you will see, there are two insert pins. So, well, technically one, but it looks like there might be two. So you want to utilize the one that is part of this like cutout that you can see right here. So it's the one closer to the edge. Push the pin in, and as you will see, the tray pops out. And once you take it out, as you can see, we have space for two different SIM cards, but no SD card. Now, when placing your card on the tray, place it with the chip side up or facing outwards, like so, and then insert it back into the device. Additionally, you can also occupy one of each side, both of them or one of them, it doesn't really matter which one, so you can pick which one suits you more. Now, as you can see, a premium phone that you needed to pay for, but the SIM tray just doesn't have anything that holds the card in place. Outstanding design. There we go. So once you insert your card, it should start working immediately, and as you can see, for me it's already working because I need to confirm my SIM pin. Once I do that, it will unlock my SIM card and I can now use the device. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.